The information in this video comes from thorough research. Please share your thoughts on the video, the cosmic scale, from Earth to billions of galaxies and beyond, in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The cosmic scale, from Earth to billions of galaxies and beyond. When we look at the night sky, we see stars scattered across darkness. They appear like tiny points of light, but each one may be an enormous star, surrounded by planets, and separated from us by unimaginable distances. To understand the true scale of the universe, we have to start with the world beneath our feet and gradually travel outward, from Earth to the solar system, from the solar system to the Milky Way, and from the Milky Way to billions of galaxies. Earth and the solar system. Earth is approximately 12,742 kilometers across. To us, that seems enormous. It contains oceans, continents, mountains, cities, and billions of living beings. But Earth is only one planet orbiting one star. That star is the Sun. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers from Earth, and sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. The solar system extends far beyond the planets, including the Kuiper Belt and possibly the enormous Oort cloud. Yet compared with the galaxy, our entire solar system is almost nothing. The Milky Way. The Sun is one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way. Our galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy, approximately 100,000 light years across. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. This means light itself would need roughly 100,000 years to cross the Milky Way. Our solar system lies about 26,000 light years from the galactic center, inside a structure called the Orion Spur. At the center of the Milky Way is a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A, containing roughly 4 million times the mass of our Sun. But the black hole is only one small part of this enormous galaxy. The Milky Way also contains stars of different ages and sizes, planets, gas, dust, stellar remnants, and an enormous halo of dark matter that extends far beyond the visible disk. The nearest galaxies. The Milky Way is not alone. It belongs to a collection called the Local Group, which contains the Milky Way, Andromeda, Triangulum, and many smaller galaxies. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light years away. When we observe it, we are seeing light that began its journey approximately 2.5 million years ago. This means astronomy allows us to look into the past. The farther away an object is, the further back in cosmic history we see. The Milky Way and Andromeda are also moving toward each other. Over billions of years, they are expected to interact and eventually merge into a much larger galaxy. Despite the enormous scale of this event, individual stars are unlikely to frequently collide because galaxies are mostly empty space. Galaxy clusters. The Local Group is only one small collection of galaxies. Across the universe, galaxies gather into larger structures known as galaxy groups and galaxy clusters. Some clusters contain hundreds or even thousands of galaxies. Imagine hundreds of Milky Way-sized galaxies occupying one enormous region of space. That is the scale of a galaxy cluster. But even galaxy clusters are not the largest structures in the universe. Superclusters and the cosmic web. On even larger scales, galaxies and galaxy clusters form enormous patterns known as the cosmic web. Matter is concentrated along gigantic filaments containing galaxies and dark matter. Where these filaments intersect, dense regions containing galaxy clusters can form. Between them are enormous cosmic voids, regions containing relatively few galaxies. Some of these structures stretch across hundreds of millions of light years. From an unimaginably distant perspective, the universe would not look like random galaxies scattered through space. It would resemble a gigantic network of matter separated by enormous empty regions. Billions of galaxies. Now comes one of the most difficult numbers to imagine. The observable universe contains at least hundreds of billions of galaxies, and some estimates suggest the number could be around 1 to 2 trillion when extremely faint galaxies are included. And every galaxy may contain millions, billions, or even trillions of stars. The Milky Way itself may contain hundreds of billions of stars. Multiply that by hundreds of billions of galaxies, and the number of stars becomes almost incomprehensible. Many of those stars may have planets. Some planets could potentially have conditions suitable for life. This raises one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone? We still don't know. The observable universe. Now travel beyond galaxies, clusters, and the cosmic web. We reach the observable universe. Its diameter is approximately 93 billion light years. This is the region of the universe from which light has had enough time to reach us since the early universe. But the observable universe may not be the entire universe. Space itself has expanded while ancient light has been traveling toward us. Because of this expansion, the present-day distance to extremely distant objects can be much greater than the simple distance light could have traveled during the age of the universe. And beyond the observable universe? We don't know. There may be vastly more galaxies beyond our cosmic horizon. The universe may be enormously larger than what we can observe. It may even be infinite. The cosmic hierarchy. Consider the journey. Earth, solar system, Milky Way, local group, galaxy clusters, superclusters, cosmic web, observable universe. At every step, the scale becomes more difficult to imagine. Earth is tiny compared with the solar system. The solar system is tiny compared with the Milky Way. The Milky Way is tiny compared with the cosmic web. And the observable universe contains an enormous number of galaxies. Yet the most remarkable part may not be the size of the universe. It may be that we can understand it. We are creatures living on one small planet around one ordinary star. For most of human history, we had no idea that other galaxies existed. Today, we can observe galaxies billions of light years away. We can study black holes, detect gravitational waves, discover planets around distant stars, and reconstruct the history of the universe. The universe is not simply a collection of stars. It is a hierarchy of enormous structures. Planets orbit stars. Stars fill galaxies. Galaxies gather into groups and clusters. Clusters form larger structures. Filaments create the cosmic web. And all of this exists within the observable universe. But even after reaching the largest scale we can observe, one question remains. How big is the universe really? We don't know. Perhaps the observable universe is only a small part of something vastly larger. Perhaps there are countless regions we will never see. Perhaps the universe is infinite. For now, humanity stands on a tiny planet, inside one ordinary galaxy, surrounded by billions of other galaxies. And from this tiny world, we have begun to understand the unimaginable. The farther we look into space, the larger the universe becomes. And perhaps the greatest mystery is not how big the universe is, but whether it has an edge at all. If you have any experiences related to this topic, be sure to share them with us. Until the next episode, be mindful of the energies around you.